am Managa from 9th B. So, how are you all? I am fine. I hope you are also fine and safe at your home. So, we will start our day with a small quack. Life is a game of a chess. You can't undo the moves, but you can make the next step better. Good morning, beloved teachers, honorable principal, and the school fellows. As you all know, the situation around the world is very critical and horrible. Because of this COVID, I pray to God to take out of us as soon as possible. From these 2 years, we even not went to the schools and attending our online classes from home only. As you all know, what's today? I'm very happy to say that today is the St. Thomas Day. I wish you a very happy St. Thomas Day to all the St. Thomas members. This is a very special day for us. Now Srushti from 9th A will tell us from why we celebrate this St. Thomas Day. Srushti, please.
Morning to respected sister, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Srushti Dashrath Bhosle from Standard 9. Today we have gathered here for celebrating our Founders Day. Do you know who is the founder of Bethany Foundation? Yes, Mark Evanius, and we are celebrating it from many years. The full name of Mark Evanius is Abon Georgis Evanius. He was born on 21 September 1882. They was the first metropolitan archbishop of the Syro-Malankara Catholic Church and major archdiocese of Trivandrum. He was the founder of Bethany Ashram, Order of Monks, and Bethany Madam, Order of Nuns. Was the first MA degree holder in the Malankara Church. He also served as the principal of Kottayam MD Seminary High School. And he also was the professor of Seminary College. He is venerated in the Catholic Church, have been declared as servant of God by Cardinal Basilius Clemens. On his return from Calcutta, Givargiris looked for a location to establish ashram. One of his friends, E. John Vakil, donated 100 acres, means 4 lakh meters square of land at Mundanmala Rani, Perunadu, Kerala, at the meeting place of the rivers Pampa and Kakta. The first ashram was built on 15 August 1990. He prayerfully searched the name for Bible, for name for ashram, and opened the Bible, and he got the word Bethany. After he thought to empowerment the ashram and started for women education and training, and they selected the group of young girls, and with the help of Ififami sister they teach the girls. This how the Bethany Ashram, schools and colleges was formed by Ma Evanius. Thank you.
Thank you, Srushti, from this wonderful speech. Now each and every guy will understand why we celebrate this St. Thomas Day. Thank you. Now here is a small kit presented by 9th students regarding on plastic.
8 mm of plastic trash is entered in the sea from land every year, the equivalent of 5 plastic bags filled with the trash for every foot of a coastline in the world. Across our ocean, plastic trash flows in circulation, dispersed almost everywhere, but concentratingly in a huge swath in the midst of a global current, breaking down into the smaller and smaller pieces in species across the marine world and sink to the bottom of the ocean.
Anyone can make plastic anywhere in the world and sell it anywhere else in the world. There's no design paradigm, there's no barriers. In order to solve the plastic packaging problem, we need to efficiently rethink the entire system from which is linear to make dispose to one where it can be converted and fed back in the economics as valuable plastic material, all one where it is by over nice and it can enter the environment.
Marine pollution comes in many forms: industrial, agricultural and urban waste also sweep into the sea, fueling explosion of algae that rob marine ecosystem of oxygen they need to survive with a sustained pollution, and coastal area become a dead zone, which already exists in more than 400 locations in the globe. But the nutrition pollution can be managed. by more contributing system agriculture.
If you eat, you are involved in the agriculture, so it's a problem that all of us have to work together to solve. Soil health is critical for water quality. It's the first thing we have to focus on here on the farm. Organic matter is the key thing that we try to improve. The more organic you have in the soil, the better the soil can hold on to nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen. Organic keeps it from leaching out of the soil. It grabs onto it, and that's good for farmers, but it's also good for weather quality in the bay. For any farmers to change their system, it's tricky and it takes a lot of work. I think all farmers want to. It's learning different process practices that allow you to do it effectively that becomes a key.
Wow, the video was so amazing. I would like to say 2 lines on plastic. Eating plastic, animal die. Seeing plastic, nature cry. So no to plastic. Without plastic, the earth looks like a diamond and shine everywhere. Now here is a speech from Anushka Moria from 9th A.
Good morning to one and all presented over here, respected sister, teacher and all my dear friends. So guys, I am here from Anushka Moria from Standard 9, going to give a short speech on a Patron's Day. As you know, today is Patron's Day, a Saint Thomas Day. So guys, the Saint Thomas, the apostrophe also causes dignitas, one of its Jesus. Apostrophe Jesus, according to a New Testament, it is known as Doubting Thomas because Thomas was born in Galilee, Israel, died at 21 December 722 AD. St. Thomas Bethany Convent School is a Christian minority educational institute founded and managed by a sister of Bethany Congregation, Bethany Province, Kerala, through a registration. Trust the Bethany Mission Society, Nastic, in 2006. It is under religious judiciary of a man Kandru. School motto: lead kindly light. The giving rules, the school motto is very inspiring to a student in our school life. It is lead kindly light, such a powerful message that inspires a student to give a best and spread their values and wisdom to a world around. A great principle builds a characteristic and inspire it dreams, encourage creativity, builds confidence in a still a true love of learning touches our heart and changes our life forever. Bethany Congregation was founded by a servant of a god man Lavages on 8 September in Kerala, India, who had committed himself for a self-negation and a total submission to a Lord, was a man of reserve for his mission is to continue by a Bethany sister, SSC, through a various charitable institutes and a different in India. Catholic bishop in a Pune, state of Maharashtra, is a purpose to give an all-around education and academic, physical, moral and spiritual to a children irrespective of religion, reactor of a language. Education is not the preparation of the life. Education is life itself. I always love the first day of the school, not the last day of the school, because they are the beginners. Our founder, Archbishop Marni Wallace, our patron, my Lord and my God. There are no good schools without a good principal. It doesn't exist, and where you have a goal of a principal, great teachers, and come and they start, they work hard and they grow. Thank you.
Your magic words were very inspirational for us. Now onwards we will remember this. Thank you, Anushka. Now here is an presentation by Ayush. Ayush, please. was very amazing. Thank you so much. Now here is an vote of thanks.
I, Azizul Sheikh, would like to thank our teachers, participants, and viewers who cooperated with us. And I would like to thank our editors team who made this beautiful event a grand success. And I would like to give a special thanks to our class teachers, Mrs. Harshali teacher and Mrs. Sangeeta teacher. I would also like to thank Sister Prasada, our respected sister, who encourages us to do such innovative and creative things. Thank you.